Stop. Open your eyes and simply look. Do you see the colors? Do you see the textures and the shapes? Good, then that's it. You're ready. Come with me on this beautiful 10-minute journey of observing, of experiencing, and affirming some deep and very healing truths. And my promise to you is that you will become very present. You will feel calm and grounded. You will deeply relax, and you will be uplifted, all in this 10-minute meditation. Are you ready? Then stop, open your eyes, and just look. What colors do you see? What textures and shapes capture your attention? The beauty of nature is a powerful tool that we can use daily for deep relaxation and a profound healing of the nervous system. Just tune into what you see. And what would it feel like under your fingertips? Take a deep breath in through your nose and a long, slow exhale out through your mouth. And here we are, slowing down, drifting with the stream, becoming aware. The play of light and shade, the soothing coolness of the water, a sparkling light, the sweet sound of the stream gurgling and bubbling gently, without a care in the world. Gentle, simple, and easy. And as we affirm these deep truths, maybe you'll repeat them out loud or in your mind, or simply absorb them deep into your being. I am present. I am here. I am. I am. Take a deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. And then we arrive deep in the forest. The air is cool, soothing, gentle, simple, and easy. The rich, deep greens and browns wrapped all around like a tender embrace. The wisdom of the forest, the ancient quiet, the peace and stillness. I am present. I am here. I am at peace. Take a deep breath in and a long, relaxing breath out. As you begin to notice this play of light and shadow, something soft catches your eye. Is it the colours? Is it the movement? It all asks nothing of you, except to truly see it, as if you're looking for the very first time, and to feel it with all of your senses. You don't have to earn this moment. You just have to be here, right here. I am present. I am here. I am grounded. Take a deep breath in and a long, mindful breath out. And as we continue our journey, we begin to turn our attention within, to notice the breath flowing in, and to notice the breath flowing out. That most natural rhythm, always with us, always ready and available to ground us. To bring us home to ourselves. And notice the body, the simple sensation of being here. The comfort, the earth beneath you, supporting you. And in this stillness, supported by the earth, you begin to return to yourself. As we repeat today's powerful affirmations, I am present. I am here. I am. I am. I am present. I am here. I am at peace. I am present. I am here. I am grounded. As I leave you now, I'm sending you peace, I'm sending you love, and I'm sending you happiness for the rest of your day.